Hello everyone, and thank you to TokyoTreat Box for giving us another chance to create characters based off of some Japanese snacks, and giving you guys a chance to win one of 3 TokyoTreat boxes, so find out the details at the end of this video. As usual, you can find the link to get your own TokyoTreat box in the description, and of course, you are helping my channel out. Okay, let's finally start opening these snacks and getting some inspiration to design some characters. The first thing I see here are these Ariel rich cheddar cheese flavor chip things. They are indeed cheese flavored, but they've got this lovely little crispy flakiness to them. I do like that. Next, we've got these Porinki corn snacks. Wow, when they say corn flavor, they mean corn flavor because that tastes just like a corn. Oh my goodness. Next, we have these red snapper cracker. I love the way that sounds, and I hope they have some good inspiration. I don't know if it's supposed to taste like fish, but it's very interesting. Not bad, not bad. Cream rusk snack. Well, it's adorable, that's for sure. It looks like a little piece of bread. Let's see how it tastes. Tastes like a piece of pound cake with some icing on it. Not bad, pretty sweet. Oh my. Next we have some haichu that are Chardonnay flavor. How fancy. It's sweet, it's a little bit sour, and I do like the chew on it. Vitamin C charge gummies. Oh wow. They taste like lemon, holy cow, but very much like an actual lemon. Super Mario chocolate. We got Yoshi. It looks like a crunch bar, so let's see how it tastes. Yep, it looks like a crunch bar, and it also tastes like a crunch bar, chocolate with rice. Koala's March Kinako. These are always super adorable, let's try them. They have a very interesting taste. They're pretty good, and you know what? A koala-based character would be pretty dang adorable, I have to say. Next, we've got this Hokkaido design Coca-Cola. Yep, that tastes like Coca-Cola. Pizza umaibo time. This thing is so powdery. That tastes like a pizza, that's so weird. It's like a pizza Cheeto. Next, we've got this Caplico mini ice cream flavored snack. It's an adorable, crunchy little ice cream cone, that's so cute. Next, we've got this Ramune candy share pack. Look at all of those. Oh my goodness, they're all so cute. It's very powdery, but it has quite a flavor to it. And last but not least, the Crunchy Panda Party Pack. Oh my goodness. The cute packaging does not stop. Did I mention that the cuteness will not stop? Look at their faces. That one has a mustache. Look how cute their faces are. That one's terrified because I'm gonna eat it. Not only is the packaging adorable, the cookie is adorable, and the taste is the best. So this time I'm going to do something a little different with the character design. I'm going to pick 2 snacks to combine together to make different characters and see what they look like together. Kind of like a mom and dad having a baby together. So for the first character design, I'm going to be working with these 2 bears because they are absolutely adorable. And to be honest, I just want to draw 2 different bears because they're cute. For the second character design, I'm going to be playing around these 2 types of chips because I really like the textures they both have. And for the third character design, I wanted to play with something sweet and sour. So we've got this ice cream cone and the lemon to play around with. So let's see what we can create with these candies and make some cute characters. So before I got into designing the combination character, I did want to design the parents so that I had a better idea of the characteristics that I want to carry on over to the character that I was going to design. It was tempting to make this into a drawing itself, but I did just want to focus on the combination character. So these are the parents, the ice cream mom, and the lemon dad, and this is the kid. So when it came down to designing this ice cream and lemon character, I thought it would be perfect to make a sorbet sort of character, because sorbet is just basically fruity ice cream, right? Something like that? Maybe? Citrusy? I don't know. Either way, the main characteristics that I took from the parents were the lemon hair from the dad, and the clothes from the mom. I really liked the clothes from the mom. It was an ice cream cone dress. Her skin would be very pale to represent the vanilla ice cream. I was going to give her dark stockings to represent the chocolate ice cream, and of course her hair was going to be pink to represent the strawberry ice cream. So I did want to carry that over with the child, but because she is a kid, I did want to make it less like a sexy dress and more like something a kid would wear. So of course I gave her overalls to represent the ice cream cone because a dress kind of covers everything, right? So overalls are kind of similar in that way, and they're very kid friendly. And also overalls are just fun to draw and give texture to, like an ice cream cone. And to represent her being an ice cream character and a sorbet character, I had her having 2 ice cream cones in either hand, one with sorbet and one with the Neapolitan ice cream. And she's looking very cheeky and proud of herself for having 2 ice cream cones. So with the kit, I gave her darker skin to represent the chocolate ice cream and made her shirt white and pink striped to represent the vanilla and strawberry ice cream. One cute detail that I was going to add but messed up when I made her winking was that I was going to give her eyes 2 different colors because she is Neapolitan and I thought that would be cute. Maybe one eye would be brown and the other one would be pink, and I thought it was cute. And then I made her eye wink and you can't see it, so good job me. Overall, I do think she is quite an adorable character. The one thing I did struggle with was the lemon on her hair. It is lemon shaped, I think it turned out perfectly, but the one thing I did struggle with was the ribbon in her hair to represent the little leaf that grows on a lemon. Because there is nothing else in the character design that is green, I was a little concerned about that, I guess, not having it connected throughout the illustration. But you know what? Kids aren't the best at dressing themselves. They don't know how to match things. They don't have the best sense of fashion. So I figured, let's just have it green and who cares? It's not that big of a deal and it's cute and I do like it to represent lemon. So I like it either way and I'm pretty happy with how this character turned out. I figured put the best character first before you guys get tired of the video because the last character is pretty bad. This was a very weird one because I was really struggling with those different textures and just creating something, basically a creature out of those snacks. It's not too close to the snack, but I'm pretty happy with what I came up with. With all the different layers, it kind of looked like a clamshell, so I did create sort of a clamshell thing creature where it's coming out of the snack, and then I really liked the triangular shape with the texture, so I made that into like a giant tree person. It's pretty weird and basic, but I like the results. So let's get into drawing this character. So like I said, this character was quite a different one from when I have done the TokyoTreat character creation in the past. I did focus on people characters last time, so I thought it would be fun to mix in some creature creations in this video, kind of, you know, mix it up and make it different this time. Plus, who doesn't want to make a creature? They're so fun. After I made this guy, which was the last character I did create, I regretted doing a person, and I kind of wished I did base this on making different creatures. Next time, maybe, if there's a next time. So like I mentioned in the sketch, I did want to play around with those 2 different textures that the snack had, and even though it doesn't really represent the snack that much, I did have a lot of fun creating this weird creature. So basically what my idea was is that this is a giant creature that lives in a forest somewhere, and it basically has something on its back that looks like a tree. It's part of its camouflage sort of thing. You know how bugs can look like leaves, stuff like that. So where the texture from the cheese puff thing comes in on its skin is that this creature is able to kind of scrunch up and look like logs around the base of this tree so that it can more, I guess, blend in with its surroundings. So it's got all these layery, loose skin so that when it scrunches up, it looks like the texture of bark that you would find on a tree. So basically, if this big creature feels threatened, it can kind of lay down and ball up and lay there really still and look like logs or just tree stuff around the ground. It's a weird stretch coming from a cheese puff and corn chip, but I thought it was really fun and I had a lot of fun with this character. As far as the color scheme goes, I think because the corn chips are a light yellow color, that maybe this is the fall version of this character. So just like when the seasons change, this creature also changes with it. So maybe in the summer, it would be a bright green tree. But for now, it is that yellowy tree color that is just changing from the green, and it's looking like a nice autumn character right now. I think out of all 3 of the characters in this video, this guy is my favorite. He is very simple. And I like simple things. I feel like I always want to push myself to create some crazy detailed character, but in the end, I always like the simple stuff. Okay, let's move on to our last character design. The panda and koala sketches were pretty cute. I did like this weird simple face that was on the other side of the panda cookie. It was very basic and weird, but it was kind of cute, so I used that on the panda. But in the end, I just settled with this Panda Koala combination. As I mentioned before, this is my least favorite character out of all 3. I think my biggest mistake in this was combining a koala and a panda. They are both cute things. I didn't need cute things. I needed to have a cute thing and a texture, or just a cute thing and something else, not 2 bears. So I'm an idiot, but I made the best out of it, I think. even though I hate it. So what I wanted to do was make this a Panda Koala. So it's a koala with panda colors. And there's a few characteristics that I took from these candies. The second mistake I think in this one was that these candies are very caricatured already. The cookies have panda faces that have all sorts of cute expressions, and the koalas they're biscuits that have an actual character printed on them. So I think I was too focused on the actual characters that already existed instead of looking at the food itself. But lesson learned. One of the main things that I wanted to focus on with this character was that the panda cookies are very expressive. They have so many cute faces and angry faces and scared faces and happy faces. They're very goofy. So I did want to focus on this character having extreme emotion because of that. Something else I wanted to focus on was with the koala candies. They are filled with nothing liquidy, but there is a filling in it, and I thought it would be interesting to give this koala a big ol' thing of snot coming out of its nose because it's filled with stuff, just like the koala candy is. Also, the koala candy is latte flavored, so I have the koala holding a latte. So I guess the story behind this character is that it went to a coffee shop and its order is wrong and it got very upset, so its coffee is kind of flying all over the place. It's angry, it's holding up its angry sign, it's dropped its sad sign. Maybe on the other side of these signs there's a different emotion. I also made the koala brown instead of black/gray because the cookies themselves are more of a brown instead of black, so I didn't want to make it a real life koala and panda color. I did want to take influence from the snack itself. It's a cute character, but I do wish I took some more influence from more foods rather than the actual animals themselves. And I also just feel like I was a little too literal with the influence, like with the latte. And yeah, that was my segment where I complained a lot. Hope you enjoyed it. I do hope you guys enjoyed my character creations this round, and I'm sure you guys are wondering how you can have your chance of winning one of 3 TokyoTreat boxes, so let's get into those details. It's really simple. There are 3 TokyoTreat boxes up for grabs, and all you have to do to enter is leave a comment down below telling me which of these 3 character designs is your favorite, and that's it. I will be choosing the 3 winners by random in the comments, and I will be contacting you by leaving a reply to your comment and also sending you a direct message on YouTube. I will be contacting the winners sometime Sunday morning, and you have 24 hours to reply, so please check your messages around Sunday. For more details, look in the description, and good luck! Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Thank you so much to all of my patrons, including Michael Yun, Sarah James, Jonathan Chihuahua, Zach Abstract, Lex CS, Oni, Shelby, Teresa, Holly Holden, Megan, Lozo, Danielle Firecracker, Chris Side, Zalo Sucks at Drawing, and Cuckoo. If you want a shout out at the end of my videos, access to my sketchbook, coloring pages, and more, become my patron by clicking the link in the description. Thank you all so much for the support. Bye!